Can you see stitches of a TikTok? Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you, can you see stitches of a TikTok? And so let's begin. So luckily, we can now see stitches on TikTok. However, this is not a 100% accurate. So what you're going to do first is you go to your App Store or Google Play Store and make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. So go ahead in your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and then make sure to click on that update button if it is available. And then once you have done updating your TikTok app, you may now open it. And then what you're going to do is to go to the search button right here found on the upper right corner of the screen and search for the stitch that you want. So for example, let's type in first the word stitch and then the name of the creator that you want to see the stitch with. So for example, I just type in how to iPhone and then click on search found right here, wait for it to load, and then as you scroll down here, you may be able to see the videos that has stitched um the person or the creator that you have pasted or input right here. So again, this is not 100% accurate, but many believe that it really works and they can see the stitches of their content creator or their favorite TikToker. So that's it. That's how you can see stitches of a TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.